How to fix the MMI code problem on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve the connection problem or invalid MMI code error on your Android device. First, open your phone app and go to the dialer. After that, type in your MMI code as usual, but this time add a comma at the very end of the code before tapping call. This alone fixes the issue for most people. From there, if the problem continues, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick panel. At this point, tap on Airplane Mode to turn it on. Wait a few seconds, then tap it again to turn it off. In the next step, open your dialer again and try running your MMI code once more. Following this, if the issue still persists, go to your Android settings and tap on General Management. Once done, tap on Reset, and then tap on Reset Network Settings. From here, tap Reset Settings and confirm when prompted. This will reset your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile network settings. At this stage, wait for your device to apply the reset and reconnect to your network. Finally, open your dialer and try entering your MMI code again. The connection problem should now be resolved. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix your MMI code problem, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.